This one is a winning design, friends. I call it Twinkle Twinkle Little Star because it looks like a star that is kind of twinkling out to the edges. And look at what happens when you open this up and mix it with another set of colors. It's really pretty. I'll tell you what, this one to me feels a lot more sophisticated. It's because of the fabrics that I chose. These are Benertex fabrics. This is the Treasured collection. This is very simple. You can do this one. It's all half square triangles. You know, and half square triangles are our friend after all, aren't they? I wanted to work with 3.5 inch half square triangles. So in order to do that, I had to start with 4 inch squares of fabric because, you know, we add a 1/2 inch to that because we lose a 1/2 inch once we actually make a half square triangle. Then I chose 3 different colors of fabric. One is dark, one is a little lighter, and then one is the lightest. Now, I'll say that on camera, some of these are kind of not too distinctive for you, and I apologize for that, but in person they are beautiful. So the ones I chose, of your dark one, you're going to cut 4 of those that are 4 inch squares again, because we haven't made our HSTs. And of your lighter one, you're going to also cut 4. And as I'm laying these out, I'm like, whoa, wait a minute, I ran out of room. Because the rest, the other 2, I'm going to put over here, go with your 2 lightest fabrics. That's the pairing that you want to make because look, fold them over, right sides together. These will each make your half square triangles. You'll get 2 half square triangles out of this, this, and this. And then there's this last pair, you fold those over and you get more half square triangles. So look, this is in another color, but you'll see the difference. The black with a lighter blue and the black with one of the darker blues that's on there. So that's it. Make those half square triangles. Trim them as well. When you get them, you're going to trim them down to 3.5. Let me see. These are 3 inch HSTs. Okay, when they're trimmed, they're 3, but they're kind of starting at 3.5 before you trim them. Here is the layout. You can screenshot that if you like. I suggest that you do. Darkest, then my lighter shade, and then my very lightest to kind of form a flower in the center. So that's it, and you join them like you do, in 2s, and then into 4s, and then into halves, and bam. And that, my friends, is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I absolutely love it. I hope you will give this one a try. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.